This is a quick video to show you how you could connect JazzHR or any other tool that you want using MCP Hub on it to your Claude instance. I'm already in the create a new MCP server flow, but if you're not here, you may have a button on your screen that you could click to get down to this flow. Now let me just search for the product. Here, let's say I'm looking at JazzHR. Since it just has 31 tools available, I'm going to select all, but if you want, you can select the specific ones of interest as well. Um, this specifies the name of the tool and also if it's a read or a write capability. So depending on your use case, you could decide what you want. I'll go ahead and name it JazzHR MCP server. You can also give a description if you would like. Click on continue. And this packages the server with all its tools. Now here I'll select Claude. Now what I need to use is this MCP server URL that is generated, and I need to put this in my Claude instance. So just copy this, go to your Claude desktop or wherever you plan to use this, go into your settings. You would need to go into your customizations, sorry, connectors, and here click on add custom connector. In this setup, paste the server URL, name this whatever you would like. We don't need the OAuth ID or client secret key, and just click on add. Then it'll ask you to connect. So if you click on connect,